Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
10:50，快11点，喝一杯咖啡，等下骑上去。
请订阅 Thank you。
早安，现在是午安了，现在是中午12点半。今天就是大年初三，想要来适应一下高山，看看会不会有高山症，所以我就跑到武岭合欢山这边。今天大概就是爬个合欢东峰跟石门山。不过刚刚在武岭那边整个雾气很重，可是过了武岭那个山头过来这边，整个就很清晰呢，完全没有雾，很漂亮。今天大概3点左右就要下山，不然我觉得山路上面太晚下去可能会有点危险。
1秒登顶合欢东峰。
好，我刚完成人生第一个百岳合欢东峰，但因为上面太多人了，所以就下来这边拍。东峰比较好到，所以人很多，所以我要继续去爬石门山了。估计爬完石门山就要下去了，主峰可能爬不了。下次吧。
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now.
啊，过了1个小时，刚爬完合欢东峰结束，现在要爬后面这个，很近啊，这样就可以看到大顶了。滑完就看天气情况、身体状况、时间状况，看要不要去爬主峰。但是这里是合欢尖山的登山口，现在在合欢尖山，不过它不是百岳，我刚刚看错了。从滑雪中看得到的是合欢尖，哇大！风就是一个超级大的，我想应该是收不到太多什么声音。
干脆不听算了。
Baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take
好，现在结束了合欢东峰、合欢大尖山跟后面石门山的走路变险，时间已经来到了2点45分啊，很漂亮哎，好像是我有在上海骑来主峰那边，不是骑来，我刚开始想骑来，那也是合欢东峰、合欢尖山。那个石门山很漂亮哎，这边根本就不用空拍，随便一个拍就是漂亮的景。
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
3点40，从武岭那边过来有切捷径40分钟。哎，不对，对，差不多啊，40分钟。现在回去这样子，应该不会太晚。回程，不然下山暗暗的，骑车也是会累的。今天这样总共花了多久？12点半多到开始爬，现在4点多了。爬东峰、大合欢尖山、石门山、主峰， 其他的都比较难爬，要花比较多时间。这是有趣的吗？